selfie ka na. Hindi siya maligo. Malibog na siya.
Thank you so much, Candy, for that insightful answer. How about let's call our Candy number 2. Okay, congratulations. Isa ko gusto pasalamatan Candy number
Sabi na po sa kapitan.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, Miss Elijah, Candy number 2, please speak up your question. Your topic is unwanted pregnancy. Again, your topic is unwanted pregnancy.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Sana all.
Unwanted pregnancy or dili kagustuhan nga magmapdos, nagtumong sa sitwasyon din amo sa kababayi, nagmapdos na wala niya tuyuan. Hindi makitabi tungkol sa naglain-lain na iso. Dahil na niini ang kapakyasan, hindi kagamit sa mga pagtubong sa pagmapdos o sexual na Bakit na niini ang
Hindi kayo memorize na siya. Gawin-gawin mo yung kakurot. Tagan maging tao, di ko mauna.
Tungod ang pagmabdos sa kalasyon nga makaguba sa atong kaugmaon. Sabi na natin mga kabatan-unan kalong. Busa sa mga nunay, dapat hatagan nato mayong kaugmaon nato yung kaugaling.
Nay, thank you.
Because unwanted pregnancy is a dream killer. So save our dreams and I thank you.
Very inspiring answer. Unwanted pregnancy is actually a dream killer. So please give importance to your dreams. Now at this moment, candidate number 3. Candidate number 3, napakay gustong pasalamatan sa ating crowd.
Thank you so much sa aking mga supporters at nagpasalamat po sa naadri ang karon o sa amo ang diri sa tanang Kabangan Alto. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, thank you so much. And to the very part, let's call Miss Elijah. Candidate number 3, please speak up your topic. Your topic is gender equality. Again, your topic is gender equality.
Thank you so much, sir. Good evening, everyone. As far as I am reminder, I always been an advocate of gender equality. In my perspective, gender equality means fair and equal treatment regardless of all genders. It means that men, women, and people of all gender identities should have equal rights, responsibilities, and opportunities. Therefore, it's about respecting diversity, promoting inclusivity, and acknowledging that all gender have the potential to contribute to society in meaningful ways. In short, it's about